Unlock the world of writing. Discover the magic of Flex Nibs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, something that's not just interesting for writers and artists, but for anyone who loves to explore the depths of the English language and its unique terminologies. We are diving into the world of Flex Nibs. If you're curious to know what this term means and why it might be interesting for you, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, Flex Nib. A nib is the part of a fountain pen that comes into contact with the paper. It's usually made of metal and has a split down the middle to allow ink to flow through. Now, when we add the word flex before nib, we are referring to a specific type of nib that is flexible. Flex nibs are designed to spread apart when pressure is applied, allowing for a variation in line width. This means that you can create thin lines, thick lines, and everything in between, all with a single pen stroke. This is particularly loved by artists and calligraphers because it adds a beautiful, dynamic quality to writing and drawing. You might be wondering, why would someone choose to use a flex nib? Well, flex nibs offer a unique and expressive way to write or draw. They allow for personalization and flair that can make your handwriting or artwork stand out. Whether you're creating intricate calligraphy or just want to add some personality to your everyday writing, a flex nib can be a great tool to have in your arsenal. Using a flex nib can be a bit tricky at first, but with some practice, you can master it. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Practice. Spend some time getting used to how the flex nib feels on paper. Try applying different amounts of pressure to see how it affects the line width. 2. Control. Work on maintaining a steady hand and consistent pressure for smoother lines. 3. Ink. Use an ink that flows well. Some inks are better suited for flex nibs than others. Taking care of your flex nib is crucial to ensure its longevity and performance. Here are some pointers. 1. Clean regularly. Make sure to clean your flex nib regularly to prevent ink buildup. 2. Be gentle. Apply pressure gently to avoid damaging the nib. 3. Storage. Store your pen properly when not in use to protect the nib. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to understanding and using flex nibs. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating topic and that you feel inspired to try out a flex nib for yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a little time to get the hang of it. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, happy writing and happy learning. See you in the next video.